to the cars. For example, the car light, the car seat, the car window, the car stereo, the car air condition, or even the gas is a topic which is worth to be discussed. So it looks like the men are born to be interested in some motorcycle things or car things. Okay, my phone has already changed the language successfully. Let's change it into CarPlay mode first of all, which you will see it is highly compatible with the CarPlay, and my phone the system is the latest iOS 15, so that is pretty highly compatible. Click the AirPlay. Click the AirPlay, then it will loading automatically. You can see you will get a fabulous classical CarPlay page. And the wallpaper is my favorite. Okay, the focus. Let me change a dark wallpaper under the setting. Wallpaper, change it into full black, so maybe it can focus. It's all the camera's fault, right? Can it focus now? It looks like it can focus. Yeah, I think this is a perfect degree. Okay. So you will get classical 3 parts of the CarPlay. The left side is navigation, the CarPlay navigation. Please note that this car stereo doesn't include the offline navigation, so because it's within system. Okay, talking about the different kind of car stereo system, the most popular system for the car stereo all over the world, it should be divided into two main systems. The first one is the Win system, and the second one should be the Android system. With the development of the technology, especially for the car technology, the big touch screen has become a very popular trend. And this car stereo is the capability touchscreen, and it supports high definition resolution video playing. And as you can see, the performance of the screen also be very nice and very perfect. Maybe the camera cannot show it clearly, but from my side, how can I make it focus on the left side? This is pretty awesome. How can I make it focus? Focus. Facebook 那个评论没上。And this part is for the routing, and this part is for the music you are playing now. Let me play some music because we have no subwoofer or amplifier, so I cannot play any sound for now. Let me play some music so you can know that you are listening to the music. Okay, the song name is Kiss Me More, and oh, the lady is so sexy, right? I love it. Okay, just kidding. So choose a destination for the navigation. For example, the gas stations. This one. Click go. You can see the exchange about the operation is very fluent. You can check the routing like this way. This is the built-in Apple navigation. So when you back to the home screen, you will get a page like this. So this is for the detail routing. This part is for the music playing, and this part is a overall looking about the navigations, about the directions or something else. Okay, it can synchronize some basic functions of the CarPlay. Due to the reason for the American road law, it is illegal if you are checking a video during the driving. So the CarPlay can only synchronize the apps such as the video apps. Oops, sorry for my fault. Except the video functions such as the navigation apps, the music playing apps, and some, for example, the cleaners, Didi app. Didi app is is a taxi app in China. Maybe in your side it should be the Uber. I don't know if the Uber is still very popular from your country. So it can also using the classical CarPlay phone calling option. So if you are calling someone, for example, Chinese like it very much. I am one of them. Okay, it's calling now. So you can see your phone and the car stereo is doing the same thing. Contacts, recents, favorites, voicemail, no voicemail. Message, you can check the message. Now playing is the music, I think. Yeah, it's the music. Okay. Audiobooks, I never read audiobooks, so no audiobooks. No surprise. Music, another music app. This music app name is QQ Music. It's also a Chinese app. My favorite. Okay, choose one. This song is very beautiful. I like it. I love it. Okay. This is all the picture of this CarPlay function, and let me change it into mirror link so you will feel the performance of the high definition resolution. Change it here. Click iPhone into iPlay into iMirror. Then it will upload automatically. Okay. Enjoy some TikTok, Chinese TikTok. Oh, a cute dog, right? So cute. Ship, coffee, car. Another car, a makeup, foundation, fruit, pregnant, baby, cute baby, house, car, man. Okay, let me play some video plays. So this one. This player is so sweet. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. On this side, I cannot play another app. This one maybe? High definition resolution video playing, and you can also get the full screen. Just need to adjust it in the app. Your side should be YouTube is the most popular. Okay, this is mirror link functions. You can see keep the very same steps. very same steps.